What's up guys, this is Andrew at Diamond Graphics. This week in the shop, we have a brand new Porsche Taycan GTS, I believe. Everything's painted, custom, wheels match, everything like that. This one, we're just gonna add a bright orange Porsche decal on the side of the doors just to make it pop. Super cool car, but that will just make it a little bit cooler. We have this Genesis that came from a dealership. This had a chrome delete previously done. There's just some like imperfections, so we're gonna be peeling it, redoing it, sending it back to the dealer. So a smaller job, but this car looks a little bit better without any chrome on it. Let me show you what we got inside. So the next car we have this Lotus Evora. This car is red. We're adding a bunch of gloss black accents. So we got gloss black on the side. We're gonna do the front lip. We're gonna do the wing. We're gonna do a stripe down the middle, and we're gonna do window tint. So after that one, this will just have some good contrast, look more like a race car. This Jeep, we just added, the customer purchased some Forgiatos yesterday. We just put those on. And again, this one's getting a full PPF, every single part of the car. So pretty big job. It's probably about 80% done. Next, we got another dealership project right here. So this one's from a dealership. The customer is purchasing the vehicle, but they want it white instead of silver. So again, nothing too dramatic, but a fun project for us. So we'll knock this one out pretty quick as well. So we just got done with our next project. This is a beautiful Audi RS5. It came to us originally painted in like a gloss dark gray. This wrap's a little more unique because we just wrapped the passenger side of the vehicle, and we wrapped it in a Hexus extremely sparkly black color. So not a color I've ever used before. I haven't seen it on any other vehicles, but it definitely pops. It's kind of subtle if it's low light, but out in the sun, this is definitely a head turner. So we just got done wrapping our first Cybertruck. We do a lot of Teslas here. We haven't done a Cybertruck yet, so this is the first one. This customer chose to do satin black, and then we ceramic coated the entire vehicle as well, which for this particular car, the body lines are so unusual, unnatural. It kind of looks like a spaceship, and now that everything is satin black, kind of matches the plastic fender flares and bumpers, this thing just absolutely looks out of this world. So I hope we get a bunch more of these because these are super cool. So we just got done wrapping this one of 600 ever produced Range Rover SV Edition 1s. I wasn't familiar with this Range Rover, but it's super cool. So it came to us all black. We wrapped the midsection satin black just to highlight some of the body lines, make it look a little bit more aggressive. We tinted the taillights and we put a ceramic coating over the whole vehicle. This vehicle comes with a bunch of carbon fiber. The whole hood is carbon fiber, even the emblems along with a bunch of accents. I think it's got about 800 horsepower. It's still in the break-in period, so we can't even try it out yet, but this is one of the most aggressive Range Rovers I've ever worked on before. So now we just gave it the look it deserves and it's ready to ship out. This week in the shop, we have another Tesla truck. The last one we did satin black. This one is actually getting wrapped fully in PPF, but it's actually a matte PPF. The customer, his main complaint about this car, although he loved it, is fingerprints, keeping it clean. You know, if anybody's had a refrigerator that's like stainless steel, it shows fingerprints everywhere the whole time. So this is a good solution. You can do clear PPF as well, but this kind of looks a little bit cooler. We did a test on both panels. So this customer chose to do the matte PPF on this Tesla specifically. We have a few panels down right now. We'll probably finish it in the next couple days and show you the end results, show you what it looks like. So this week we have 2 more Cybertrucks at Diamond Graphics. This one, the customer really liked the stainless steel look, but he was super frustrated at how dirty it was. Every time you touch it, if you've ever had a refrigerator that's like this, leaves fingerprints, it's super hard to clean. So this vehicle, we actually wrapped the entire thing in matte PPF, then we put a ceramic coating over it, and we also tinted the windows 20%. The one we have behind us, I'll show you a little difference here. If you notice, you know, I'm touching it, nothing, super smooth, super clean. This one just got dropped off as well. And if you notice, every time I touch it, it'll leave fingerprints and they're extremely hard to clean. So if you want to make your car look a little bit different, we can wrap it any color. If you really like the stainless steel look, go with either a clear or matte PPF, put a ceramic coating over it. That's gonna cut down your maintenance just to keep it clean. So if you like the look of your Cybertruck, the exposed stainless steel, PPF is the way to go because the film is clear, but again, it's gonna make that maintenance way less. So bring it on down to Diamond Graphics, we'll take care of it for you.